A uniform rod AB has a length 4 meters, total length. Its weight is 150 newtons. So because he is telling it's uniform rod, weight will act at the center midpoint. Weight is 150 newtons. The rod rests in equilibrium in horizontal position, smoothly supported points RC and RD. So RC will be reaction at C, RD is reaction at D. Distances are given, the same value is mentioning here. A particle of weight W Newton is attached to the rod at point E, and AE is equal to x meters. The rod remains in equilibrium and the magnitude of reaction at C is equal to the magnitude of reaction at D. That means here he is telling RC equal to RD. Show that W is 150 divided by 7 minus 4x. Okay, so we don't know where the point E is, right?
Yes.
Let's take somewhere here. This is the point E. The load attached at that point is W, and he is telling the distance A to E. Distance A to E is x. Okay.
Yes.
RC and RD are equal. Let's start with sigma V. RC is upwards, RD is upwards, both are positive. W is downwards, 150 is downwards, so both are negative. Total should be 0. And RC is now equal to RD, so let us substitute. So we get 2 times RD, and on the other side we get W plus 150. That means RD will be W plus 150 divided by 2. And since RC is also equal to that, so is the value of this. Okay? RC and RD both are equal to W plus 150 by 2. Now let's take sigma M. Let's go with moment about C point. That's better. If you take A point, then RC and RD both you have to take, and RC RD both are a little complex. So let's take about C point to simplify it. So W into distance CE, W into distance CE, this one is clockwise, so negative. Then 150 into distance CM, this is also clockwise, so minus. Then RD into CD, this one will go in anti-clockwise, so plus, equal to 0. Now we need to solve it. So CE distance is how much? CE distance is x minus 1, no?
Yes.
And CD distance will be AD minus AC. AD is 2.5 minus AC is 1.5. So substitute them. So both these terms, this term and this term, are negative. Send them to the other side, they become positive. So W into CE, x minus 1, plus 150 into CM. CM is 2.5 minus 1, that is 1.5. Hey, yeah, CM we didn't find now. So okay, anyway.
Yes.
Then CD is CM is different now. CM we have to find separately. 1 minute. CM is not 1.5. M is the midpoint. So CM will be AM minus AC. Now AM will be half of total length, that is 4 by 2, minus AC length is 1, so that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. So CM value is 1, and these have been shifted to the other side. This value remains same side. RD value we got it here, so substitute RD. Wow, 1 minute. RD value, substitute here. So W plus 150 by 2, this is the value of RD, into CD. CD length is 1.5. So here he is asking us to find the value of W. So just keep W on one side, send everything else to the other side.
Yes.
Okay, W we have here and here. So all the W terms we have to take on one side. Let's take them. So this term, what happens here? Minus 1.5 W by 2, right? This side, what constant is left? 150 into 1.5 by 2. It's on right side. This is also constant, sent to other side. Minus 150 we will get here. So now here W we can take common. We left with x minus 1 minus, so this, let us make it like this, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are, so 3W by 4. W has gone common, right?
Yes.
Because W has been taken common, we'll just be left with 3 by 4. Okay.
Yes.
This side, let's calculate with calculator. It's simple that way. Okay, so 150 into 1.5, 2 in denominator, minus 150. So we get minus 37.5 here. And here, if you take LCM, it will be 4. So we get 4x minus 4 minus 3 equal to minus 37.5. So 4x minus 7 by 4. W into 4x minus 7 by 4. So W equals minus 37.5 into 4 by 4x minus 7. Simplify this. 37.5, sorry, into 4, 150. So we get 150 minus 150 by 4x minus 7. If you want to remove the minus sign, multiply denominator and numerator, we get 7 minus 4x. This is what he's asking us to prove.
Yes.
So hence proved. Next bit, B bit, is asking, hence deduce the range of possible values for x. So what possible values can x have? Okay.
Yes.
That means if this force here, if this force here shifts in this direction, at some point it will tilt about C, no?
Yes.
And if this force tilts on the right side, at some point it will tilt about D, correct?
Yes.
So both these points we need to find. So how to do this? For B bit, first assume RC equals 0 and sigma m about D point is 0. Okay? And in next step we have to assume RD value equal to 0 and sigma m about C point is equal to 0. Both these conditions, if we solve them correctly, we will get both the values of x. Ready?
Yes.
So let's take them one by one. So let's take this one first. MD. So take moments about D point. W into ED, no?
Yes.
This is anti-clockwise, so plus 150 into MD. This is also anti-clockwise, so plus. Correct?
Yes.
And RD. Hey Baba, RD will be different, no?
Yes.
1 minute. M into D. RC value has become 0. Okay, that's it, right?
Yes.
D. Yeah, so this total should be 0, correct?
Yes.
What is ED? Actually, E point will come on this side, right?
Yes.
E point should come on this side because RC is 0, E point will be this side. And ED can be written as AE minus AD. है ना?
Yes.
AE minus AD. And AE value is X, AD value is 2.5. Correct?
Yes.
So W into 2.5. And if it is on this side, actually it will be clockwise. Correct? Clockwise means this has to be negative. This has to be negative. Plus 150 into MD. Okay, MD is how much? MD is AD minus AM. AD minus AM. AD is 2.5. 2.5 minus 2. है ना? That is 0.5. So this is 0.5. Total 0. So this term is negative. Send to the other side. W into X minus 2.5 equals 150 into 0.5. W value we found a
Yes.
oh, so now W value we have to substitute here again. So W is 150 by 7 minus 4x into x minus 2.5 is equal to 150 into 0.5. 150 into 0.5 is 75. Wow. Are we going in correct direction? Let's see. So this term cross multiply and okay, this side let's keep it same, no? It will be simplified. 150 into 0.5. So this 150 cancel. X minus 2.5 equals 0.5 times 7 minus 4x. So x plus 2x equals 0.5 into 7 plus 2.5. So 3x equals this. That is 6. So x value is 2. Okay.
Yes.
So first value of x we got it. For second value of x we have to take this equation. Okay.
Yes.
Now when this happens, E point will be on the other side. E point will not be here. E point has to go this side, right? Correct?
Yes.
E point has to go this side. When E point goes that side, again we have to take moment, but this time moment about C we have to take. So we will get 150 into CE. 150 into CE. This is clockwise. sorry, 150 into cm now. 150 into cm. This is clockwise. Clockwise means minus. And then w. W into EC. W into EC. This one is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means plus. Now we need to find both these values. So cm value we know it is 1. Just now here we calculated. So this value is 1. And EC value. EC value is AC minus. EC value is AC minus AE. AC is 1. So 1 minus x. Correct?
Yes.
So substitute these both. So total should be 0. Negative term sent to the other side. So 150 into cm. Cm is 1 equals w into EC. EC is 1 minus x. Now here again we have to substitute the value of w. What is the value of w? Substitute from here. So 150 divided by, sorry, 150 equals, here w is 150 divided by 7 minus 4x into 1 minus x. Correct? 150
Yes.
cancel, cross multiply. So 7 minus 4x equals 1 minus x. Here again find the value of x. So 7 minus x equals 4x minus x. So 6 equal to 3x. X is equal to 2 again. How come? X cannot be 2, right?
Yes.
We are making some mistake. X minus 2.5. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Okay, in both cases we made a mistake, I think. So when we are taking about this point, we have to take the length CE, no?
Yes.
What is CE? C to E. W into ED I had taken. No, it's correct. W into E to D. ED is AE minus AD. Correct. X minus 2.5. What went wrong? We are getting same values of x, and both these values of x make it fall inside the two supports, which means the answer is not right. Okay,
Yes.
so definitely the answer we got is wrong. What went wrong? It's better if we solve it once again. Let's try once again. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so B bit. So first let us assume RC equal to 0, sigma m about D point. Okay,
Yes.
so sigma m about D point. Let's take about D point. So 150 into MD, correct?
Yes.
This one is anti-clockwise, so positive. Then the point E we have to take here on this side, right?
Yes.
So W into distance DE. This is clockwise, so minus. Total should be 0. So now 150 into MD. MD is how much? Let's find MD here. Okay. M to D is AD minus AM. Correct. AD length is 2.5 minus AM. AM is half of 4, that is 2. So 0.5. Correct. The MD value is 0.5. Send this to the other side. W value, let's take 150 by 7 minus 4. 150 by 7 minus 4x now.
Yes.
So this into DE. DE value is how much? DE value D to E. So from D to E, that means this value, that is AE minus AD. AE value we are taking it as X minus AD value is 2.5. Correct?
Yes.
So now we need to find the value of X. So 150 will cancel. 0.5 times 7 minus 4x equals x minus 2.5. So here find the value of x. So 7 into 0.5 is 3.5 minus 2x equals x minus 2.5. So 3.5 plus 2.5 equals x plus 2x now. So
Yes.
this is 6 equals 3x. So x equal to 2. How come?